Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon DIY here, and today I'm going to be swapping out the headlamps on a 2015 Toyota Rav-4. Now, the reason why we're swapping out the headlamps, not the high beams, but the headlamps, is that the left side, or when you're driving, the right side is out. Now, this is the more difficult bulb to change, but we're going to change both of them so that you see how you're able to change the right side and the left side. So the first thing we're going to do is prop up the hood open. All right, so this process is pretty straightforward. You're not going to need that many tools, but you are going to need new light bulbs. So I'm going to be linking them down below. These are the ones that I used from Amazon. Highly recommend them. The ones that are currently installed are actually custom. That's why they're that crystal blue color, and you're going to see the type of bulb that I pull out of here. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to unplug this first plug that's actually plugged into that light box. And make sure you're not swapping out the high beam. The high beam is right there on the right where my glove is right now. What I'm removing right now is an actual cap that leads you to the compartment where the actual headlamp, which is not the high beam, the headlamp is. So you see here, this is a custom bulb. These light bulbs, they're nice and they're cool, but they're not really reliable. So I'm going to be removing this one, and then the other side obviously needs to be removed because it's not working anymore. So you want to use a good, reliable bulb. You don't want to use one of these custom bulbs unless you're willing to change out your light bulbs every couple of years. Okay, so here you see the setup. This is the custom bulb. There's a lot more involved here than needs to be involved. All we're going to be doing is unplugging it from the blue cap. Once that is removed, you can then place in your new bulb, and then you can screw it in. So that whole left part, that whole assembly can go in the trash, can go be sold on eBay, whatever you want to do. And you're going to place this new bulb in here. It's going to be a reliable bulb. That's the one that's linked down in the description below. Make sure all of your electrical components are functioning properly. And I always, before I put everything back together, I will actually end up just testing it before I screw everything back in, because you don't want to do work for no reason when something doesn't work. I end up testing it out. So you do want to plug everything in. You want to plug in, of course, that plug that goes directly into that cap as well. So you're going to see here that the light bulb does work. This is the headlamp, of course. Again, not the high beam. You can easily mistaken the high beam for the headlamp. The high beam is a lot easier to change. And so that's a separate video though. So here you see the complication. There's this funnel here that goes down to the windshield wiper fluid. You're simply going to snap this piece off, and that's going to allow you to actually have that windshield wiper funnel loose. And I just push it down and out of the way. Don't be too aggressive with it, I guess I would say, because you don't want to break it either. But it's a funnel, like it's moving around. So just push it out of the way. And now you have total access to be able to get into that compartment where you can actually change out that light bulb. So same process here. We're going to remove this cap. If you've worked on your vehicle before, this is going to be a breeze. It's really easy. Taking this cap off now, and we are going to be taking out this nice custom light bulb that is really overpriced, but does not last. So we're going to take that out, and we're going to put in our reliable, inexpensive bulb. Again, linked down below. Once again, I'm going to be testing this out before I put everything back together. Overall, this was a very easy light bulb installation. You know, while you're at it, I would also change the high beams out, but just make sure you're getting the right bulbs on Amazon. Use the link in the description below for this light bulb, but then you can also search for high beam bulbs for this specific vehicle. Make sure that you have your vehicle inputted into your Amazon account, because it'll tell you if something is compatible or not. That's if you're using Amazon. You could go to AutoZone and get all the same parts. All right, so I hope this video ended up being helpful. This is how you swap out your light bulbs. It's a very straightforward process. Remember the link in the description below for the light bulbs that I used here in the video. That's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.